Syempre, I am very glad that you are here with us today.
Yes, we are so pleased that you are here today, and this is a very special time for us. So we hope that everyone will have fun as we celebrate Valentine's Day. Pakibati ngayong katabi.
Happy Valentine's Day!
Yes, happy Valentine's Day. So without further ado, let's open the program with our Faculty Club President, Mr. Gilbert Mendoza, for his opening remarks. Let's give him a round of applause.
Magandang umaga po sa ating lahat ngayong araw ng Valentine's Day. Unang-una po sa ating butihing principal, Sir Juan Amonio Cabardo, sa lahat po ng mga kaguruan, mga magulang, mga mag-aaral. Kayo po ay aming wini-welcome sa Mr. and Miss Holy Spirit sa ating paaralan. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Sir Gilbert, for that wonderful opening message. And now, a round of applause for the entrance of the HSES Dance Troupe.
And now, ladies and gentlemen, let us all welcome the royal family as they march into the throne. First to march is the favorite runner-up, Miss Janine Evan Soniga, a grade 3 pupil.
Up next is the 30th runner-up of Miss Zaga Rubia Ardon, a grade 1 pupil.
Let's give a round of applause to the 12th runner-up, Miss Frances Marcos Isabel Tama, a grade 4 pupil.
Let's welcome our 11th runner-up, Miss Ezra Shri Bernardo, from grade 4.
shower the air with flowers. Please let me welcome our choir. Gian Paginawa, Saint Amber Baminggo, and Princess Rayan Fabian. Palakpakan natin sila.
Please also welcome with a lot of cheers and applause to our sash bearers, Scarlett Abello and Moxie Daculo.
Okay, to our trophy bearers, palakpakan natin CJ Nati Austria and Eric Bob Patron.
And of course, for our scepter bearer, let us all welcome Michaela Serrin and Abi Mosa. Now, may we request everyone to please rise as we welcome our Miss and Mr. Holy Spirit Elementary School 2025. Her Majesty is Saint Jane Cabrillo, a grade 1 pupil, and His Majesty Dave Angela Cruz, a grade 2 pupil. Minsan na, a round of applause to our Miss and Mr. HSES 2025.
At this juncture, our superintendent principal, Dr. Juan Amarvio D. Cabardo, will give us his inspirational message. Palakpakan po natin si Sir.
Okay, na-request natin na umupo yung mga ating mga hara at mga hari ng ating kaharian ng Holy Spirit Elementary School. Sa ating pinakamamahal na Pangulo ng ating SPTA, Ma'am Michelle Bernardino, at kasama ang kanyang mga officers. At ganun din yung ating Teachers Club President na si Sir Gilbert Mendoza, kasama ang kanyang mga opisyales, at ganun din yung mga teachers na nandito ngayon, mga magulang, mga bata. Isang maalag, mapagmahal na umaga sa inyong lahat. Sa araw na ito ay napakaganda ng nangyayari dahil sa pamagitan ng pagtulungan ng inyong SPTA President kasama ang kanyang mga officer at teachers club, makikita natin yung tinatawag na unity. Pag mayroong unity, makikita din natin yung love. So sa araw na ito ay napatunayan natin that we do not just love by words, but we love by action, because we cannot show love without action. Yes, you cannot love without giving, but you can give without loving. Now, yung mga parents at tayo lahat, nagsama-sama tayo, kasama sa mga bata na ito, double purpose, na pasuotan natin sila ng magandang damit, atin silang naparangalan dahil nakikita natin yung kanilang kagapuhan at kagandahan. At the same time, ito ay tanda na tayo nagkakaisa sa isang proyekto. Ginagawa natin ito dahil hindi lamang sa Valentine's Day, kundi ginagawa natin ito dahil mayroon tayong hangarin. At ano yung hangarin na yun? Yung proyekto na ibig gawin ng inyong organization na sa pamumuno ng inyong Pangulo and of course ng Pangulo ng ating Churches Club, nag-usap-usap tayo at nagsama-sama tayong nagbigay. Kaya ang proceeds ng ating makukuha sa ganitong gawain ay mapunta sa isang proyekto. Maraming gawain. Kaya mga parents, tuloy-tuloy natin ipakita yung ating pagmamahal. Sa pamagitan ng tuloy-tuloy din na mag-contribute, magbigay ng inyong bahagi, lalo na sa proyekto na ikubuti ng ating paralan. Kaya, sa umagang ito, kinukongratulate ko kayo, mabuhay tayong lahat, at Happy Valentine's sa ating lahat.
And of course, are you all excited? Excited nila po sila, partner.
Ikaw ba hindi excited?
Excited, syempre. Lalo na po ang ganda-ganda ng aking kapartner. And of course, let us all welcome our 14th runner-up
To come up to stage, please.
during the awarding. Dito po kayo sa stage together with the parent and the teacher. Okay, to be called on.
May we request Ms. the 14th runner-up to please come up the stage. Darling.
Yan. To our 14th runner-up.
Yan, Jillian. Nasa si Jillian? Halika dito. Halika dito sa taas.
Jillian.
Yeah, the cute Jillian. Our 14th runner-up.
Yes. And may we call on Evangeline Pera.
Yeah, the mother. And Sir Ramiscal, a grade 3 teacher, to pin the sash and to award the trophy for Miss Jillian. Partner, para mas maganda yung tinatawag natin mag-15 na Biwen Jorgo. Doon din kaya mamarcha sa gitna. What do you think?
Yes, much better partners. So once again, may we call on Miss Evangeline Pera, our dear parent. And applause to our teacher.
Yeah, from grade 3, Sir Ramiscal.
Palakpakan naman po natin ang ating 14th runner-up. Thank you so much.
Okay. Our 13th runner-up, Miss Saya Rubia Aragon. Come up the stage, please. Si Saya. And of course, let's give a round of applause to the mother, Sabarafe Rubia, to pin the sash, and Miss Juliani Sabalbarino, the advisor, to award the trophy.
Thank you so much and congratulations, our 13th runner-up. And let's present our 12th runner-up, Frances Marquez Sabel Gama to be. Yun. Grabe. Lino Sabel. And calling the proud parent, Maria Yvonne Villafranca, together with the advisor, Sir Gilbert Mendoza.
Okay. Please come up to stage. Our 11th runner-up, Miss Ezra Ashlyn Bernardo. Let's give her a round of applause. And may we request the mother, Margie Bernardo, to pin the sash, and Mr. Garban Morales, a master teacher and a grade 4 teacher, to award the trophy. Mr. Garban Morales.
Congratulations and be excited for our 10th runner-up. Wala pong iba kundi si Miss Celine Rodriguez. Palakpakan po natin ang ating prinsesa. And of course, ang kanyang parent na si Arlie Chris Rodriguez na maglalagay ng sash. And our teacher Johan Kamasura for the trophy. Once again, masigabong palakpakan for our 10th runner-up.
Next to come up the stage is Miss and Mr. Trustworthy. Miss Mary Jana Katrina from grade 3 and Mr. Ashton Kurt Oswa from grade 5. Palakpakan po natin sila. And may we request the parents, Job Katina, Mary Jane Gatina, and Anacorita Oswa to pin the sash.
Tunay na partner na nagagandahan ang ating mga awardees.
Ikaw ba, partner, in your life, na-experience yung magganyan?
Ako po, ang ginto manigil. Masaya ko sa mga
Okay. Sige, ako naman, bago ako mag-retire. Sige. And to award the trophy, palakpakan po natin ang advisor ng grade 3 Rojas, of course, Miss Hazel Rojas and Maria Gina Cagara, advisor, and grade 5 advisor. In place of Ma'am Cagara, may we request Ma'am Marlene to please come up the stage to award the trophy.
Congratulations and for our Miss Loyalty, may I call on Krisha Arbelega from grade 5 and Mr. Loyalty Genesis Ingrid from grade 4. Minsan pa, palakpakan natin Mr. and Miss Loyalty. At ating inihahandog ang kanilang mga magulang sa Sashko Gracelda Arboleda, Criseldon Arboleda, and of course, Jennifer Zingret. At muli ko pong tinatawagan si Miss Marlene Ulev and Sir Jason Vivera to award the trophy.
Okay, let's give a big hand to Miss and Mr. Ho. Miss Isaiah Kayla Elkidam from grade 1 and Mr. Romel Benses from grade 4. Palakpak naman po dyan. And may we call in
am proud to present to you Miss Charity Artisha Lansay Sakto of Grade 2, Caloocan. And of course, Mr. Charity Kier Harazet Baiza, Grade 1, Villegas. Palakpakan po natin sila. And to be joined with the pinning of sash, may we call on Crystal Gail Baisak and Teacher Mercado. Ang cute ng kanilang tandem. And for our trophy award, Teacher Ruth Guerin and Teacher Jessica S. Caloocan. Muli po natin silang palakpakan ng masigabo na may kasamang hiyawan.
Congratulations! Isa pang palakpakan at hiyawan kay Miss and Mr. Pierce, Miss Janila Calorin from Grade 1 and Mr. John Carreloso at Kinder Pupil. And of course, to pin the sash, let's give a big hand to the parents, Nelly Ababa and Mary Ann Talo. Okay, to award the trophy, palakpakan po natin Ma'am Sherilyn Bustamante and Ma'am Ruth Guerin.
Ating inihahandog, Miss Love and Mr. Love HSES. Palakpakan po natin Miss Hailey Anika Molina from Grade 3 Ramiscal and Mr. Love John Lawrence Mangubat from Grade 4 Mendoza. Muli po, presenting Mr. and Miss Love HSES 2025. May ilalakas pa po ba ang ating palakpak para sa kanila? Salamat and congratulations. And to pin the sash, tinatawagan ko po ang kanilang kapita-pitagang mga magulang. Lawrence Dominic Molina, Annalyn Cabilay, and Erlene Magubat. At para naman po igawan ng trophy, may we call on Teacher Rudel B. Ramiscal and Jacqueline Victor.
Congratulations! And next, let's give a round of applause to our third runners-up. Miss Chelsea Ann Bernardino and Mr. Christian Rojas, both from Grade 5. Isang palakpak naman dyan. And palakpak muli to the parents to pin the sack. Michelle Bernardino, Raynan Bernardino, and Mary Ann Rojas. Partner, di ka ba nang ingit dyan? Purple shirt yata ang suot nila.
Kaya nga po. Ano na, date na ba ang sunod niyan?
Ako, hindi ko maalala kung nag-ganyan kami. Parang ano, sana all.
Surprise day sa iyo, partner, mamaya.
Oh, really? And of course, award the trophy. Palakpakan naman dyan kay Miss Shelby Cañete and Miss Bernardina Sanico. Ramp naman, teacher, sir, mula sa dulo.
Miss Marielle Andres Imbojan from grade 6 Liza, and Mr. Zirish Marcelo from grade 1. Once again, our second runner-up. And to proudly pin the sash. Ayan po, kanilang mga favorite, Lyrish Biscocho and Maribig Simbachoy. Saludo po sa inyong dalawa. And to award them the trophy, eto proud na proud ang mga guro. Teacher Jolari Sabalbarino and Teacher Anna Marie Lyson.
Congratulations! Muli, masigabong palakpakan at ilawan sa likod sa ating first runners-up! Miss Labi Joy Paman and Mr. Nigel Trey Pagaduan from grade 3. And of course, kapit na sas, tinatawagan natin ang mga magulang. Joe Pagaduan, Aileen Manina, Marilyn Chapson, and Evangeline Pangat. To award the trophies, we call in Ma'am Lani Rimulta, grade 3 chairman, and Sir Joseph Sico, a grade 5 teacher. Palakpak naman dyan.
Ay, si ano? Bibigay na kami.
Ma'am Sheila May Cañete, please.
Requesting Teacher Rojas to please come up on the stage to join our first runner-up. The crown is the highest honor bestowed on a king and queen. And this moment, our dear friends and teachers and parents, the highlight of this affair has finally come. The most awaited moment. But before that, pwede po muna tayong tumayo. At pasalubungin natin ang masiga 2025 King and Queen.
And of course, to award our Miss and Mr. Holy Spirit 2025, a round of applause to our dear Principal, Sir Ron Cabardo. The ushers, Miss Marie Angelica Palada and Miss Jessica Canuca. And of course, to our master teachers, Maria Cristina Bigosona and Maria Cristina Naviente.
And our SPTA President, Ms. Michelle Bernardino. For our special Holiday Harvest Nino Cabrera, and of course Fidel Cruz and Emmy Cruz, the proud parents.
And to award the trophy, let's give a big hand to Miss Madeline Duguyo and Ma'am Imelda de la Peña.
Muli po natin silang palakpakan. To hunt in the sector, maybe Poland, Zerda A. King, and Israelita to Makas.
Congratulations to our 2025 Mr. and Mrs. Holy Spirit and Paris School. Precinct 19.